everyone, my name is Aditi and today we will talk about UI UX design. I'll tell you what is the meaning of UI UX design, and also towards the second half of the video I'll share with you one online course which is absolutely free of cost. So there's a lot of things coming up. Let's begin with our video. Okay, so what is UI UX? A lot of people club this as one term, but actually they are two different specializations. UI stands for User Interface Design and UX stands for User Experience Design. First, let's talk about UX design a little bit in detail. So UX design is very similar to product design, and this is why many product designers work as UX designers once they graduate out of college. So what is UX design and why is it important? जब भी हम किसी प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस को यूज़ करते हैं तो हर एक चीज़ का एक एक्सपीरियंस है. उस एक्सपीरियंस को और इन्हेंस कैसे किया जाए और यूज़र फ्रेंडली कैसे बनाया जाए, दैट इज़ अ जॉब ऑफ अ यूएक्स डिज़ाइनर. जब आप एक फ़ोन खरीदने जाते हो एक मोबाइल स्टोर पे, सो देयर इज़ अ रेंज ऑफ ऑप्शंस अहेड ऑफ यू. हाउ डू यू फील दैट टाइम? डू यू फील हैप्पी, एक्साइटेड? वंस यू बाय द फोन, देन हाउ डू यू फील? Don't you feel proud, accomplished, right? After a couple of days, once you start using the phone and the phone accidentally slips from your hand and the phone screen cracks, you call the customer care and the customer care is not responding. Then how do you feel? You feel agitated, angry, nervous, sad, worried, stressed, right? So every specific stage of how and when you use a product, it has a specific emotion, and these emotions are tracked by a UX designer. UX designer keeps track of all your feelings, all your emotions which you might have experienced or you must have experienced, and the map is known as journey map. The map of your emotions, that is known as a journey map. Why is journey map important? Because this helps the UX designer to understand what is it that my user is liking about the product. What is it that my user is not liking about the product? And they make a list of everything which they have analyzed or researched about their users. What's very interesting is when a 15-year-old goes to buy a mobile phone, they want their mobile phone to probably have good camera quality, excellent processor, the phone should be stylish, it should be gaming friendly. But when a 75-year-old goes to buy a phone, do they want their phone to be gaming friendly? Probably not. They have different requirements. A 75-year-old user will want their phone to have excellent call quality, probably a speaker phone facility, radio, maybe a radio requirement, good battery storage, or quick access to photos and videos, very less complexity and easy access, right? So every specific age group has their specific requirements. But guess what? All of them use the common product, the same phone. So the job of a UX designer is to keep track of all these different age groups, all these different requirements, and then come up with possible solutions. They suggest how and when we can enhance some experience, and then our users will like our service even more. A couple of years back, Google was 100% English search engine. But recently, they came up with the idea of regional language search option. So जिन लोगों को English नहीं समझ में आती थी, now they can type their language, Hindi language questions, and the result will also be in Hindi. Little bit of a change, but made so much of a difference. This is why UX has a great role to play in every business. Now let's talk about UI design or user interface design. When we human beings have to interact with our machine, our surface of interaction is designed by a UI designer. There are mainly two types of UI designs. So when you open your phone and there's a range of buttons or icons in front of you, there's home button, there is back key, there is front key, there is a forward key, right? So many options. When you click on these small graphics, that's how you're able to interact with your machine. That's example of a graphic interface design. Somebody has designed these graphics for you, and that's how you're able to talk to your machine, you're able to interact with your machine. There's a second type in which I don't need to touch any button, any icon. I just have to speak to the machine and the machine gets activated. That's a voice interface design like Google or Alexa, where you don't need to touch anything. You just have to talk to that device and the device gets activated. In this video, we will focus more on the graphic interface design. Think of your favorite app. Whatever app you love the most, I can guarantee you that every good app design or UI design has three things in common. And the first one is creativity, consistency, and clarity. Let's talk about creativity first. So, what do we mean by creativity? Every single successful app design or UI design has a creative or a unique blend of colors, typography, font, animation, layout. And this is what gives it a unique identity. So YouTube is very different from Instagram, Instagram is very different from Twitter, and Twitter is very different from Snapchat. So the very moment you open any app accidentally, it still doesn't take you time to realize which app you're on. You understand within a fraction of a second. You don't have to remind yourself that I'm using YouTube. You know you're using YouTube because of the combination of colors. And that is the first sign of a good UI design. The second is consistency. Right now, if you're watching me on YouTube, you're probably seeing me in a rectangle frame. है ना? और इस frame के नीचे you will see the title of the video, and then comes the view count, and then comes the option to like, dislike, and then comes the option of the channel's name, the option of subscribe, non-subscribe, and then comes the description box. This similar layout is followed for every single video you watch. It's not like कि आपने sports का video देखा, so comment section ऊपर आ जाएगा, the video will go at the bottom. It doesn't happen like that. There is consistency in the design. So when the design has consistency, it's more user friendly. And the third most important part is clarity in design. So in the entire YouTube app, there is only one way how you can upload a video. There is only one way how you can like or dislike this video. And there is only one way how you can search for a new video. Whenever a certain task has one or at the maximum two solutions, it reduces the overall confusion in the process and enhances the overall user experience. So there's creativity, consistency, and clarity. Now, in case all of this is a slightly new concept and you're getting confused between the difference, so I'll give you a very simple trick to remember this. Our body, our skeleton structure is like the UX. It's the rough layout. And the clothes we wear or the kind of hairstyle we have, that is UI. That is the visual presentation. So if our body is very fit, but the clothes we are wearing are not so good, okay, if the clothes are below average, so we might look okay. But if our body is very fit and the clothes we are wearing are also very good, then the result is outstanding. Then we look amazing. So similarly, UI and UX work hand in hand. If the rough layout is very well made, if the overall research has been done very well, or the UI design is done very well, the product is always a hit. If you want to know more about this field and you want to enroll for a short online course, or you are about to start your own business and you want to know how design can contribute for your business, then you must sign up for this course that I'll be sharing with you. I'll add the link in the description box. This course is on UI UX design and it's offered by a website called Udacity. The best thing about this course is that majority of the course content is by people who are working at Google as UX designers. So you get some real-time information. You get to know how their profession works, what kind of work they do, and how design is contributing for business growth, even for mega brands like Google. So I think you should check it out at least once. Give it a shot. Acha nahi lage, so you can even leave it midway because it's absolutely free. So do check it out and let me know if the course was good or not. Did you like the experience or not? I would love to hear from you. That's all I had for you today. I hope आपको ये short video थोड़ा helpful लगा हो. If the answer is yes, you all know what the drill is. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I hope you all are doing safe, healthy, and happy. I'll see you very, very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.